Introducing Endless Astor, a glazed polished porcelain tile that covers a large surface area thanks to its impressive size to create a low-maintenance, seamless look with ease. Offering a smooth surface texture and gloss finish, Endless Astor is both classic and modern all at once. Its white backdrop, combined with subtle to strong grey veining, harmonize together to deliver a clean and crisp visual rendition. A member of Italtile's ever-growing Endless collection, Endless Astor is characterized by a continuous matching vein pattern across one tile to kiss fit with other tiles around it, no matter which direction they are laid in, be it horizontally or vertically. The result is an eye-catching, seamless look and feel, literally endless, an effect that completely opens up a room as the eye travels along the veining pattern. Use Endless Astor on interior floors and walls, from bathrooms and bedrooms to kitchens and living areas, and marry it with minimalist furniture and decor accents that will allow the marble effect to take center stage. Not just high-end design, but also high-end technology. Endless Astor makes the grade for stain, crack, temperature, and chemical resistance. Invite it into your home today and experience a perfect blend of refinement, functionality, and enduring style. Shop Endless Astor online or in-store at Italtile.